Which credit agency does Monzo use? Hook. Do you know which credit agency Monzo uses? If you're a Monzo customer, you may be wondering which credit agency they use. This is a common question, and one that I get asked a lot. In this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. I'll also discuss some of the other factors you should consider when choosing a credit agency. Intro. Before I get into the main topic, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of credit scores. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. It is used by lenders to determine your risk of defaulting on a loan. There are a number of factors that can affect your credit score, including your payment history, your debt-to-income ratio, and the length of your credit history. Main content. So, which credit agency does Monzo use? The answer is Experian. Monzo uses Experian to track your credit history and calculate your credit score. This information is then used to determine your eligibility for credit products and services. What are the other factors you should consider when choosing a credit agency? There are a number of other factors you should consider when choosing a credit agency. These include the cost of using the agency. Some credit agencies charge a fee for their services. The accuracy of the agency's data. It is important to choose a credit agency that has accurate and up-to-date information. The agency's reputation. You should choose a credit agency that has a good reputation for providing quality service. In addition to the above factors, you should also consider the following. Your own personal needs. Some credit agencies specialize in certain types of credit products and services. The types of credit products and services you are interested in. You should choose a credit agency that offers the types of credit products and services that you are interested in. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Here are some additional tips for choosing a credit agency. Shop around. Get quotes from a few different credit agencies before making a decision. Read online reviews. See what other people have to say about the different credit agencies. Ask your friends and family for recommendations. They may have had good experiences with certain credit agencies. I hope this information is helpful. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also love to hear your thoughts on the topic of credit agencies. Please share this video with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.